double-click on downloaded file. Click on More Info and then click on Run Anyway. Click Next. Accept the agreement and click Install. Wait for some time. Here USB is already selected. Select COM and from drop-down select COM4. We have selected COM4 as it was our outgoing port. In your case, select your outgoing COM port. If you have a doubt, then you can still go to More Bluetooth settings to check your outgoing COM port. You need to make sure that you select correct COM port. Click on Install. Printer installation is completed. Now go to Settings. Click on Bluetooth and Devices. Click on Printers and Scanners. Here you can see that PosBox printer is installed. Click on that. You can also explore preferences to make changes in the printer setting. Here default paper size is 48 mm by 25 mm. You can change size from here. In Print option, you can change speed and darkness of the printer. Setting option can be used if there is an issue with label alignment. Click on Print Test page to check connectivity of the printer. Hope this video was helpful.